Right, so we're looking at the leather watch straps today. We've got 5 colours available in our kind of vintage range. Good alternative to metal or rubber if you want that kind of vintage or more kind of relaxed vibe. I mean, I'm wearing one here, but I wear mine on a diver's watch. You know, it's a bit ironic having a leather strap on a diver's watch, but you know, because you don't actually get leather, you're not supposed to get leather wet, but you know, wearing it in the office or around town, I think it's a good fit. So you've got your watch, you're going to take your spring bars out. Your spring bars are going to go into these little inserts at the side here, and you're going to fit them on. You can easily do that with the spring bar tool, or take it to any jewelers and they'll do it for you. But like you say, if you've got a spring bar tool, where's the spring bar tool? If you've got one of these, yeah, it's a 2-second job. But again, if you're not confident doing it, you know, take it to a jeweler's. They'll be able to do it in 2 seconds, and you shouldn't pay more than like a few quid for that. I wouldn't go swimming with these on. So that is one of the drawbacks of leather, is you just don't go swimming in them or have it on in the shower, that kind of thing. It is leather, so it is a skin, so it will dry. You can treat them, you can condition them. I use this type of beeswax on my leather, which is a really good way to treat it. It doesn't have to be beeswax, so you could use something like Nivea hand cream, and that applies to all types of leather. You know, it'll make it a bit more supple, and a bit softer, a bit more conditioned. I've been wearing one of these for a few weeks, and what I really like is as you wear it, it becomes more unique to you, and over time, as you kind of crease it, those colours and that patina really come out, and like I say, it gives it a lot of that individuality and character. You don't always have to change your watch, you just need to change the watch strap to get that different look.